Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. Going to be installing this also. This is the Desloc D120 Plus Fingerprint Smart Lock with handle. All right, so we have instructions on the top. Here is the locking system right here. We have the scan pads. We have the keys and a bolt, and every other little thing is labeled here. Let's just go install it real quick. First thing we want to do is just install our bolt here. You want to make sure that this flat part is towards the door and not towards the closing portion. So we'll just install that and then screw it in the existing holes here. Once that is on and nice and snug, make sure that works, and we'll install our striker plate. Get that last one in there and a little snug. And there we go. So real quick, if your handle is on the opposite side, you want to put the screw on the opposite side. So my handle is going this way. So I want to have the screw there, so that way my handle can't turn all the way there. So there's a little screw in the back, and the instructions right there tell you whichever side you want to screw it into to keep it from rotating the handle all the way over. So now we're going to feed these through here. So your cord is going to go over the top of this in part, and then this feeds in through here. And this is what it looks like coming through the other side right there. Our holes are going through here, our screw things, and the other one's right there. Next, we install our plate here. So you're going to feed the wire through there, line those up with the screws, and then we're just going to, the 3 screw holes right here. 1, tighten that down, and we're good. And our last step, we're just going to plug this in right here. It should snap into place. And we're going to run this up around here. And we just have these 3 little screw holes, one here, and one here, and those go there, there, and there. All right, with this last screw in place, it's going to hold it right there. We can add our batteries and put on our cover. If I want to use the key, just press on here. That lifts that up. We have our USB port here if you want to put in an external power system to unlock it, or if you don't have your key, if your batteries die, you just put your key in, turn that to the right, and then that unlocks it. Once again, take it out, and it's locked, it won't open. Good to go. All right, so just download the DESLOC app, and just it scans for nearby device. You go to add your lock, connected it. That's after we put in the batteries, everything like that. Successful connection. Just enter your password. It'll recommend, if you don't want to put like 77777 or 12345, it'll say this is not a strong password. Put in a decent one that you'll remember, and then it'll lock it in, say accept the terms. Setting up your fingerprint is super easy. Just go to that and just press it, your thumb on the reader, several different ways. That way, whenever I use like how I grab the handle and just put my thumb on there kind of naturally in just a couple different ways. And it'll ask you which thumb you did that, or index finger, set that up. You can set up the Wi-Fi also. Just connect to your signal and you're good to go. Very easy, put in your Wi-Fi password and all that. Okay, assigning access, you can assign different people access to this so they can just unlock it with their phone. It's nice for like an Airbnb or something like that. You can change things also. You can grant people permission for a little while and not. Unlocking, you can just swipe it over. It'll unlock your door for you. And then if you want to lock it, you can swipe to lock. Pretty user-friendly app, worked right away. This thing I set to lock after 5 minutes. Here we have vacation mode, we have auto lock, and then you can switch to timer from auto lock if you want. Auto lock is after a certain amount of seconds. You have anti-peeping password, so if you type in, like if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could type in however many numbers you want before that, and then type in your password. So that way you can just put in a ton of different random numbers and put in your password so no one knows. You got the anti-hijacking assignment. You unlock what notifications that you want. You can add a shared user on vacation mode. So this allows you to unlock the door, 1Pass users and things like that. So that's kind of cool. A lot of different features on here. They're just like super user friendly. OneLock app was no problem so far. Working great, didn't have any issues with this. You can allow a scheduled access to only a certain amount of time, things like this. It'll tell you the notifications when it was locked and who unlocked it. So if you gave someone permission, it'll tell you, hey, this person unlocked this one. All right, so from the home screen, if we want to set up our little card to access it, just go to the owner, and then that gives you the option to put in the password or set a fingerprint or set up the card. So it asks for the card, you just stick the card on there, it recognizes it, it says please input the card or whatever, you just tap it on the bottom part of the lock assembly, just right above the handle, and there you can see that it recognized it right away. So very convenient, super easy to set up, no problem. All right, so we got the password set up, we got the fingerprint set up. Just press that and easy to unlock. Just shut it, works very smoothly. This will you can set the auto lock feature, and this one after 5 seconds we can see that it's not going to unlock. I can put in my passcode. It has a passcode protection thing too here. So if we do different numbers before, we can just put in our normal password and it'll unlock it. So you can, if someone's watching, you push a bunch of different buttons and then your password, and that's what's going to unlock. So it locks it again. We got the key also, so that's really nice. Super easy setup actually. This only took just a couple minutes. This is probably the easiest lock I've installed. I like that the plate initially held it on. Sometimes you have to screw the other device right on there, the bulky part on the back, and it just makes it difficult. This is nice and seems rather durable. Recognizes it right away, easy to open and close, very smooth. Nice lock there, seems pretty durable, seems pretty stout, got this metal exterior, metal handle on there. All in all, my friends, I was pretty impressed with it. The app was super easy to set up. I can unlock it and lock it from my phone. Yeah, the key on the top, just really easy to put in there. Has the keyhole and also, like we said, the USB-C. So if the batteries do die, you can either use the key or you can plug in an external power bank into there and operate it like that. So if you guys are looking for a sweet little lock, this DESLOC works pretty decent, my friends. Thanks for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time.